Awesome, let's divide 168 by 2. Hey math adventurers, if you're having fun learning with me, hit that subscribe button and join the Let's Stud squad. Let's go. Ready for our first step? Let's tackle this. We look at the first digit, which is 1, we bring it down to start our work. How many times does 2 fit into 1? It doesn't, so we write a 0 above. 0 times 2 is 0, we write that down. 1 minus 0 is 1, we've got a remainder to carry over. You're doing amazing, this is just the beginning. Now, let's bring down the next digit to make a new number. Great job, now we have 16, let's keep going. We bring down the next digit 6 to join the 1, making 16. Okay, 2 times what equals 16? Think of your 2's times tables, it's 8. 8 times 2 is 16, write 8 in the quotient and 16 below. 16 minus 16 is 0, perfect, no remainder this time. Woohoo, you're crushing it, on to the next digit. Let's bring down the last digit to continue our adventure. Last step, here we go, we have 8. We bring down the last digit, 8, to join the remainder 0, making 8. How many times does 2 fit into 8? You got this. 4 times 2 is 8, we write 4 in the quotient. 8 minus 8 is 0, we've reached the end. You did it, that's the final answer, high five. We've successfully divided 168 by 2. Amazing work, everyone. So 168 divided by 2 equals 84. Great job. We just conquered dividing 168 by 2 step by step. Remember, even big numbers become simple with a good plan. Keep practicing and you'll be a long division whiz in no time. That's all for today, explorers. Keep that curious mind buzzing and check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud. See you next time.